Hi there, I'm Hailey MacArthur of the Georgian Bay team, and this is Big Bruce, Ontario's favorite roadside attraction. That's right, we're here in Chesley, Ontario, the nicest town around. Here, you can have the best of both worlds, a little bit of country right in town. Let me show you how. Welcome to 232 Thompson Lane. Situated at almost 2 full acres and walking distance to shops, restaurants, and schools, this fabulous family bungalow has something for everyone. From the gorgeous kitchen to the in-ground pool to the detached shop, the whole family will be happy. Come on in. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and this kitchen has quartz countertops, a center island, stainless steel appliance package, and views over the countryside. Gather around the fireplace in the living room, featuring gleaming hardwood floors, a wall of windows, and walk out to your swimming pool. 3 bedrooms, each with their own large windows, a 4-piece bathroom, a 2-piece powder room, and a dedicated laundry room complete the main floor. Downstairs, you'll find the walkout basement with a recreation room, an additional bedroom, even a workshop. Outside, your 3-tiered deck leads to a 10-foot deep swimming pool. Not only a 2-bay attached garage, you also have a 30 by 17 detached shop, large enough for all your hobbies. Read the full description below. I'm Hailey MacArthur of the Georgian Bay team. Thanks so much for joining me in the nicest town around.